Hey, welcome back, guys. I wanted to show you guys this new sys organizer set from Festool. This is a new limited run set, and it is a complete screwdriver set with some ratchets. Some wrenches and ratchets also. There are two versions of the sets, at least here in the States. A metric and imperial set. And if you guys are looking for the part number, this is the metric set. The Festool part number is 205748. And like I said, there is a imperial. This is the SYS3 organizer M. 89M. I think the imperial one is going to be IMP. But what they do is they come in, you get a set of different screwdrivers and whatnot in them. It has a whole variety, pretty much everything you guys are going to need in terms of screwdrivers. It has this really nice grip handle. They are a decent size. If you guys are looking for something more compact, these aren't really compact, but they are very well made. I am now 100% sure who makes these. Festool has had a lot of their Central Tech. They've had a lot of their Central Tech bits and everything. They used to be made by Weha, now they're made by Wera. These don't appear to be made by Wera. So for example, if you guys are looking for like the Central Tech Festool screwdriver, right here, these are the bits. This is the handle. This is made by Wera. This is the latest version. The older version was made by Weha. This is made by Wera. I figured that when this came out, I thought it was going to be made by Wera. I am not 100% sure. It doesn't look like it is in terms of just the style of the handle. I could be wrong about that. Obviously, they have similar looks to them, but I'd be interested if anyone knows who makes these. Leave a comment in the description, and I will also, or leave a comment down below, and I'll also, once I find out, I'll post in the description. This is pretty spot on in terms of materials and the grip, so maybe it is Wera and they just did a different design. I'd be really interested. Wera makes some amazing bits, ratchets, screwdrivers. Festool actually just also, on top of this, they just released an entire ratchet set. I have another video on that. I'll post a link to that video, and you guys can see. So this is a 1/4 inch from that Festool bit, or from the Festool ratchet set. And you guys can see it's actually, whoever makes this also makes that Festool ratchet set. These are the exact same handles and everything. And they are very nice. The Festool ratchet set comes in a limited edition sustainer, blue sustainer. So this is a very nice kit. If you guys are looking for it now, this was a limited run. You can pick them up on sale for the supplies last. I know the metric version seemed to want quite a bit quicker than the imperial version. And the screwdrivers are going to be all the same. Where it's going to differ is when it comes to your wrenches. These wrenches, this is a 13 millimeter, so rather than getting the imperial, you'll get metric if you go with the metric. I use metric for pretty much everything with my cars, and everything's metric. So when I go ratchets, I usually almost always buy a metric set. It comes with this adjustable one. If this is Wera, I'd be surprised. I hope it is, because Wera does make some really nice quality. They have some joke wrenches, and on this wrench, the one side is a ratchet, reversible ratchet. The other side is just standard wrench. Again, these are very well made, very well built, and they feel really nice quality. And then you also get a set of Allen screws. These are also, these are also metric. This actually may be Wera that makes these. This looks very similar. Like I said, if one of you guys know, I will do a little research and post it in the description, and I'll try and find out for you guys. But these are going to last. There's not much left. I actually had to look around to find this metric set because the only ones, it seems like almost every place still has the imperial one still in stock, but not many suppliers still have the metric. So it seems like these ones went quite a bit quicker. Your best bet, if you can't find the metric online, try and go to a local Festool dealer. I've found that a lot of times the in-stores, because everyone's buying this stuff online, and if you go in-stores a lot of times to some local dealers, they may not have as much traffic, and they'll get some of these in, and they won't sell them as much, especially if they don't really have an online presence. Like for me, I'm here in Ohio, so I have a Hartville Hardware. They're a really nice Festool dealer around here. And they have their online division, but their store division is kind of separate. And almost all the time, if something's sold out online, I'll go check in stores. And while they sell all over the country for their online division, their in-store shop at their hardware shop, they pretty much only sell to the foot traffic that comes through within Northeast Ohio. And a lot of times I'll go there and they'll buy a bunch of these since they are such a bigger dealer. And they'll usually have them in stock, even though they'll be sold out elsewhere. So if you guys are trying to get the metric set and you can't find it online, try and find like a local Festool dealer by you guys and just maybe call them up or stop in there and see if they have them. Because once these things are gone, they're gone. And I don't know if they're gonna come out with them. Obviously, Festool's constantly come out with nice nice, sets like this all the time. But usually once they make them, that's it for it. And these do come in the new assist organizers, which I don't know. I'm still kind of deciding on how I feel about these. Now, it is nice with these because you have the clear lid, so it looks really nice, but you just have the side handle, which is fine when you're just by yourself or when you're just carrying this by itself. But if you want to carry it traditional, there's no top handle. But I guess, for example, like what I did, let's bring it here. You would take a normal sustainer, even if it's the new Sys 3s, put it on there. You gotta lock that. Now you have to carry it. So just keep that in mind. I do like the clear lids, but you do lose the top handles on it. But I think it's worth it. So if you guys have any questions on these, just please leave a comment in the description, leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer it. If you guys need any Festool hose adapters, different Festool MFT accessories, I will have descriptions down below. We have a lot of different Festool accessories for you guys. So make sure to check out that for our store down below. If you guys are a Festool user, we have a bunch of different really nice tools and feature accessories that I think will really help you guys out. So if you guys have any questions though, just let me know.